Today in this video I will share with you the knowledge about the slab and drop beams steel. See, here is starting of the slab, and the beam, you can see the rings are 8 milli and spacing is 15 centimeter, and the main bar of the beam is 20 millimeter. The main mesh of the slab is 16 millimeter, top and bottom both ways, and the spacing is 20 centimeter. Here we are putting the extra bars, the additional reinforcement for the beams in the bottom and the top. In the bottom already finished with the start of the beam, because later on when you drop the beams inside the slab, then it's difficult to put the extra bars, the additional bottom reinforcement. But in the top you can put later on. It's easy, it's not a difficult job to put inside the beams the top extra. Top extra means the additional reinforcements which are used for the negative bending moment, to resist the negative bending moment. You can see here some beams are continuous, while some beams are only simply supported beam. This one is continuous. You can see here is one column. So in the continuous beam, there should be a top additional bars in the beams near the supports, near the columns. Both side of the column they need it for DM approval, because if DM engineer come, they will definitely tell you to put the extra bar additionally. See, there are some decors also which go outside of the slab, like a small balcony or small continuous slab. The chair bars, you can see the height we putting here, we have 25 centimeter thickness of slab depth, and chairs we are putting 13 centimeter height, because of the covers, clear cover, and the top and bottom reinforcement of 16 millimeter. So you can see these columns are in the center, and we will bend it. You can check the slab mesh is completed and the extra bars are also completed. Now we are only balanced with the parapet wall. This is the roof slab, so we'll put parapet wall steel before concrete. Vertical steel bars 12 millimeter at spacing of 20 centimeter spacing. So clear covers and the spacing are very important here.